Welcome to the Users module in Bulkify, designed to simplify user management across your Jira environment. Let's start with user actions. Before using bulk user actions, ensure your organizations are configured through the settings menu, as this is a prerequisite for performing bulk user operations. This feature allows administrators to quickly search and filter users using multiple criteria, such as organization, directory, name or email, group, space role, and even last login days. These powerful filters make it easy to find active, inactive, or specific users within seconds, helping administrators manage large user bases more efficiently. Once you've identified the users you want to manage, Bulkify enables powerful bulk user actions. Suspend users to temporarily restrict access, restore them when needed, revoke access to remove permissions, or remove users permanently, all in bulk. These actions help improve security, simplify user lifecycle management, and reduce licensing costs by quickly reclaiming unused user licenses. Next, we have invite users using CSV. Instead of inviting users one at a time, simply upload a CSV file containing user details, and Bulkify will send invitations in bulk, saving significant time during onboarding. Moving on to delete users using CSV. When users no longer require access, administrators can upload a CSV file and remove multiple users in a single operation, reducing manual effort and improving account management. Finally, let's look at export users. This feature allows you to export user information for reporting, auditing, compliance, or documentation purposes with just a few clicks. Whether you're searching, inviting, deleting, or exporting users, Bulkify helps streamline user administration and improves overall efficiency. Get started with Bulkify today.